to recover deleted chat on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So if you want to recover deleted chat on your X, then what you need to do is you need to open up your X application at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So unfortunately, if you've deleted or once a message is deleted, it cannot be recovered through the app itself. But there are still a couple of things that you can try. First of all, you can ask the other person if you deleted the conversation on your side. The other person might still have it. Just ask them to send a screenshot or resend the message if possible. Next, you need to download your data from the X. So open the X application and then tap on your profile, which will be in the top right or on your top left. After that, you need to go with settings and privacy, which will be on the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on your account. And here you need to select download and archive of your data. It may ask you to verify, so you just need simply go with send code and you will receive a verification code to your email address. Just wait for a few seconds. Once you receive the verification code, enter that, go with continue, go with request archive. Now it says that X will let you know once your file is ready to download. After that, you can download the file and you will have all of your information. That's it. That's how you can recover deleted chat on X. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.